up your phone when I'm calling. Yeah, kick it with me now, my darling. Yeah, yeah, I've been making this money. Need someone to count it up for me. Need someone to count it up for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. So I know y'all see my expression, like y'all don't be understanding. When I customize these wigs, the first time that I see what I've done is literally on camera. Like, I don't even put these wigs on. So that's why I always make that face sometimes, because I be surprised. Before we get all the way into the review, I just want to say thank you everybody for your orders. Thank you for everyone that's bought for the wig sale. Thank you everyone that has bought for the custom wigs. Like, I am literally sold out of the custom wigs. I have reached my max capacity, and so I would definitely be opening back up once I start finishing up the rest of my orders and shipping them out. And it seems like a lot of people are big heads, so that's a lot of people that's been ordering are the big heads, which I understand because it's so hard to find a wig that is big head friendly. So again, I just wanted to take the time out, and I just wanted to say thank you all for your orders, and I will definitely be getting those out next week. Thanks, guys. And so here, this is part 2, and if you haven't seen part 1, which is me coloring and dyeing the hair, that's the same thing. Me freaking coloring and bleaching the hair, then I will put that at the end of this video. And so here, I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace. Now, I did go back off camera, and I did re-pluck some more because when I seen it, I was like, okay, this hairline was just looking too wiggy. And so I did go off camera and I plucked a lot more. And so, yeah, like this color is so pretty. This is the color I was actually aiming for, like I mentioned in my last video. I didn't want to go too bright because I feel like some bright colors just don't look right in the wintertime. Unless you're going somewhere to like a function, but I was not about to be out there looking like Ronald McDonald. So I was like, yes, I was aiming definitely for a darker red. And here, this wig is by Doubleleaf. Yeah, it's by Doubleleaf, and this wig, like, it has not shedded. Like, sometimes when you bleach it, because like it came in a normal black color, and sometimes when you bleach it and then color it and then flat iron it, do all this extra stuff to it, it was shed. And this hair right here has not shedded. Now, this is some good hair, because if you haven't watched part 1, you definitely want to go watch part 1, because as you can see, literally after 3 minutes of me putting the bleach on the hair, it started turning colors. Like, immediately it started bleaching, and I was just thinking like, oh my gosh, this is bleaching too fast. Like, I'm only on the first row and I only used the 30 developers. So like, if you definitely think that you want to buy some hair and you don't want to like buy the 613 hair, because 613 hair can be really expensive, but yes, definitely check them out. And here I was just like, okay, girl, we might have did something here. I really was feeling myself with this red, and I still am. I still have it in my hair because I want to, like, I always test my hair out. I don't just slap it on in a video unless I know it's a good vendor. Usually that's why I do voiceovers. I'll put it in my head, then I'll wear it after a day or two. After their wash, you can tell if it's good hair or not. There is no hair that I have put in my hair that I have not washed first. I recommend that everyone wash their hair, their bundles, their frontals before you slap it in your head, because that right there is going to be able to tell you if that hair is going to hold up. And so here, I love this so much. I love this hot comb. Like, I can't believe how long I've been without it. But yes, so here, right, I was like struggling. Like, I cut out a lot of pieces. Like, this is my first time actually trying to do baby hair on color hair, and I was struggling. Like, I know everybody be like, oh my gosh, this is so hard, and I was like, sis, it can't be that hard. You just making some baby hairs on a color wig. Yo, this is hard. And so I actually just, like, if you decide to do it, take your time, because I was really getting frustrated. Normally, I would use the yellow got to be glue, the little small bottle, but this time I realized with color hair, you would need to be using the Eco Styler gel, because that darn yellow got to be glue gel. No, your hair is literally stuck in place. So thanks for viewing this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
I drop you off in the morning. I drop you off in the morning. Pick up the phone and I'm calling. I fell in love with your money. Need someone